Hey, what's up guys? I have a tip to share with you. Let's say you want to select all the similar bone names in Blender. So this tip was shared by a person called A. And the main thing is to use F3 to search. And then you search for select pattern. You can pause the video and read the whole tip if you want to. Okay, so F3, you search for select pattern. And then let's say I want to select all the bones with the starting with the MCH here. Type MCH, star, enter, and it has selected all of them. It works in both post mode and edit mode. Okay, let's say I want to select those things like in the middle, it has leg. So I do that again. Dash leg, enter. It doesn't work because they are in the middle, and you have to do this instead. You have to add the star, the asterisk at the beginning, and then enter. See, you have selected them, and it can be useful like for organization. Like you want to move them into the specific bone collection, you press M, and then let's say I move this to the death collection, and then yeah, like that. Okay, that's basically it. And it works on edit mode, post mode, and object mode as well. Let's say you want to select all the objects with a similar name, it works. Alternatively, you can also use the simple renaming add-on. This is super convenient. First, you have to select everything by pressing A, and then if I want to select all the the bones with the front name in it, I just type it. So mesh case is turned off, which means they are not case sensitive. And then you just search and select. You see, it has selected all the bones with the front name in it. That's it.